Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my wellness planner, which is the black and white classic size happy planner, and it is for the weeks of August 16th through the 22nd, and I'm still going to be using the same book, so the Color Me Happy book. So that's the third spread with that book. Also, if you already follow me, thank you so very much. And if you are brand new to this channel, welcome. I hope you really like it here, and I'll talk to you soon.